everyone, I'm Tori, co-founder of StoneSet. If you're looking to transform your property with a driveway that's not just durable, but also stunning, sustainable, and built to last, you're in the right place. Let me show you why homeowners are choosing StoneSet over traditional paving. Your driveway is the first thing people see when they approach your home. With a StoneSet driveway, you're instantly boosting your home's curb appeal, giving it a premium, high-end look that sets it apart. And when it comes to property value, a well-designed, low-maintenance driveway can add thousands to your home's worth. With our wide range of natural stone finishes, you get a driveway that complements your home's style, whether you want something modern and sleek or warm and rustic. Unlike block paving, StoneSet is seamless, preventing weeds and moss from taking over, so you spend less time on the maintenance and more time enjoying your home. If you're ready to elevate your property's look, increase its value, and enjoy a long-lasting, low-maintenance driveway, let's chat. Click the link below, send us a message, or book your free consultation today. Your perfect driveway is just one step away.